Well, switching gears, back in the studio this morning is the president of Dale Carnegie Training of Central and North Alabama, Miss Nancy Covert, and she is here to talk to us about their upcoming leadership development workshop with the Birmingham Business Journal. Welcome back, Nancy.
Thank you for having me. I enjoy coming here all the time.
We're happy to have you. I understand that Dale Carnegie is offering a leadership development workshop program. Why is leading a team so important for business professionals?
Well, you know, a lot of times the old adage that people join companies and leave managers is very true. And so what we help leaders and managers to do is to drive the motivation levels and the innovation ideas and develop the people to achieve great things within the organization and make them want to stay with their companies and not leave their companies.
Okay, so what are some of the areas that people can expect to develop as a part of this? It's a half-day
program, right? It's a half-day program, and some of the things they can work on are things like understanding what drives and motivates their employees, learning skills in delegation, time management, coaching, giving feedback, and just really helping to grow our workforce. And our workforce right now is so diverse with the 4 generations in the workplace. Helping each of the generations to grow and feel like they can contribute to the team is really vital, whether we're passing down information from a veteran to a person who's a brand new employee, so that they are very successful in their roles.
If you can't attend the seminar, are there other opportunities with your organization to help develop a person's leadership skills?
Absolutely. We have a program called Leadership Training for Managers, which is much more intense. And it's a 7-week program which gives managers a chance to practice the skills in between each of the sessions. They'll get ideas and tools and fundamentals to work on in the program and then choose how they're going to apply them in their jobs. That way they can make some instant progress. And over 7 weeks they have plenty of opportunities to make behavioral changes in their leadership style. That's what really makes a difference.
And so would you say that leadership doesn't necessarily come naturally to everyone, so that's why it's kind of important to cultivate these things?
It really doesn't come natural at all. Yeah. And in fact, most people are promoted because they're great at doing their jobs. And so you're great in doing, but great in leading are not the same things. And so we know that developing leadership skills from a great doer is a very tough transition. That's one of the things that we'll be talking about in the program.
And you guys have done this before, or is this the first time?
Well, this is the first time in partnership with the Birmingham Business Journal, but Mr. Carnegie pioneered the workplace learning industry, and over the last 105 years, that's all we've been doing, helping companies develop their leaders and managers so they're successful. So this is definitely not our first time. We've had about 9 million graduates through our programs.
What are some of the reactions from people that start with the program and then once they complete it, once they've learned some of these skills?
Well, most people tell us that it was a life-changing event. It was something that totally changed their outlook and their behaviors so that they're successful. So our graduates are our best word-of-mouth advertisers. They tell their teammates, their associates about the benefits, and so we're excited to get a chance to introduce this to some new leaders that aren't familiar necessarily with us.
And leading can be kind of overwhelming, I'm guessing, for some people, so it must be nice to sit down with people to tell you exactly how to do it.
Absolutely. Yes, and there are definitely processes and skills that you can learn, and so we just help the leaders and managers to develop the skills they need.
And will it be a packed half day? I mean, are they going to be just learning?
Yes, Mr. Carnegie believed that all learning has a component where you have to practice it. So it is action-packed. We do have a large group that's coming, so it will be fun. It will be a very successful day for those leaders to develop these skills.
If people would like more information, how can they find it?
Well, they can go to the Birmingham Business Journal events page, and they are our co-sponsor with this program. It's going to be held at the Harbert Center downtown, and it's 8:30 to 11 o'clock on August 23rd.
And you guys wanted to partner with the BBJ. Talk a little bit about why you guys thought that was a good idea.
Well, the Birmingham Business Journal is just a great tool for business people to keep up with business issues, and so we partner with them. We're their exclusive training provider, and so we do training workshops in partnership with them all throughout the year.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Ariel.